Hey everyone, what's up? It's Wendy. If you guys are already one of my subscribers, you're probably gonna think this video is a little weird because I do mostly DIYs on my channel, but if you've been following me for a while, you know that I am a big fan of makeup and all things beauty. I have been getting this Boxycharm for, oh man, it's gotta be over a year now. And I used to do these unboxings before on my channel, but honestly, I kind of was getting annoyed with Boxycharm because they were coming so late in the month that I was like, why am I gonna throw this up? Because I'm sure everyone has already seen what's in the boxes this month. So I decided to do one for this month because I just got it out of the mail. And what's today? Oh my gosh, what is the date today? Holy moly, this came super early. I still don't know the date, but I know that it's really early. So I literally just got this out of my mailbox. If you guys aren't familiar with Boxycharm, it's a $21 a month subscription makeup box. You get at least five full-size makeup or skincare items. Sometimes I even got a hair straightener one time. So you just never know. They're really good products. I will link down below in my description box some more information about it. So I barely have any makeup on right now. I thought it'd be fun to dig in and see what we got here, maybe try some stuff on. So yeah, if you're wondering why I'm looking kind of a hot mess, that is why. So let's dig in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got this one. Oh! So I've been seeing like the spoilers, and there was this one item that I was really hoping I would get, and I got it. Okay, I'm excited. So you open it up and it looks like this, and this month is called Make Waves. So on this card here, it has all the items that are in the box along with the description and the price. But I don't want to look at this yet because I don't want to see what is in my box yet. So the first thing I want to pull out is the first thing that I saw because it's big. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the GlamGlow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So I don't know if you guys have tried GlamGlow before, but it's a great brand. They sell it at Sephora. I've bought some of the masks before, but it is pretty pricey. So I am so excited that I got this in here because this is not something I would have bought on my own, but I'm totally gonna throw this in my shower and use this. Oh, takes off face makeup too. So yeah, it is a full-size item. You are getting 5 ounces in here. So I'm super duper excited to try that. Okay, without looking at the other stuff, this retails for $28. So this alone has already paid for the box because the box is $21. So yay, I'm excited. Next thing is an eye luster cream eyeshadow. Color shifting pigments. Oh, it's from Ciate London, I think is how you pronounce it. I have a lip gloss from them. I don't know if you guys remember, a few years ago it was going crazy on YouTube. It's the lip gloss that you put on and you rub your lips together and it turns into glitter. Yeah, I definitely bought that. Used it like twice. I apologize if I'm talking fast, but my camera is about to die, so I want to get through this quick. So okay, this is what this looks like. That is really pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I just smelled it. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Okay, that is really flippin' pretty. Wow. That is like iridescent. That one retails for $22. All right, next in here is a... I hate these colors, Boxycharm. I even went in and changed my preferences so that I wouldn't get darker colors because I hate dark colors. But maybe I'll have to give this to someone. So this is a Dose of Colors, which I've never tried that brand before. I've seen it before and it looks like a nice brand. What the heck is this? Liquid Matte Lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. Dose of Colors. Holy moly, that's dark. It smells kind of good. I don't even want to swatch it because I have a feeling I'm going to give it away. It's a little too dark for me. Dang it. So that one retails for $18. Okay, next in here is something small. Another eyeliner. Okay, I can live with this. It's a Bodyography Midnight Blue Eye Pencil. So that is the color right there. I have actually been really enjoying wearing like different colored eyeliners like down at the bottom, you know? So that might be fun. That's actually really pretty. That might be really fun to just put on the lower lash line. So maybe we'll give this a try. Maybe I'll try out this eyeshadow for you guys, and then with this, see how that looks. And that retails for $14. And then the last thing in here is an Eyeliner Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I hope it's in the color, okay, good. It's in the color Fair Light, which is perfect for my skin because I had seen this one on the spoilers and I was like, I sure hope they don't send me the dark. So that's what this one looks like. Really pretty. So it comes with 3 little blush shades. I don't really know that that would be a good blush, but here, let me just swatch them for you guys. So this one is called Castaway. That is like really orangey. Okay, that one's pretty. That would probably be the main one that you could really wear like as a blush. And then this last one is called Scorcher. And this one kind of looks like it has like a little shimmer to it. And yeah, I mean, I just don't know that I would ever wear that one as a blush. They might make really cool eyeshadows, I guess. But yeah, all right, so those are really pretty. That palette retails for $22. I'm gonna go grab my phone and we're gonna add up the prices of everything and see what this box is worth. Okay, so this box retails for $104. And I mean, that's pretty awesome for everything that we got, and it only cost $21. I think that's pretty darn good. I'm just gonna try on this eyeshadow for you guys just to see what it looks like, and then I'll put on a little bit of the blue eyeliner and see what that looks like. My battery totally died, sorry about that. So I did try on the little eye pigments, whatever that was called. Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow. I tried that on and I think it's really pretty. It's really glittery, so I have a feeling there's gonna be glitter everywhere when you wear this, but it is really pretty. And I did the eyeliner under the eyes. I really like that blue color. And then I did try on the blush on my cheeks. I think I might have gotten a little too much, but I am pretty happy with this month's box, minus the dark lip color. Dang it, if only it were a nude, but that's okay. But for everything else I'm really happy about. I'm really excited to try the GlamGlow cleanser because I love that brand. So all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up because that helps me out a lot, and we'll see you all next time.